Welcome to our product review segment, where we take an in-depth look at the latest gadgets to hit the market. Today, we're diving into the Ring Video Doorbell and Ring Indoor Cam bundle. Let's see what these devices have to offer. Hey, my name is Mia Victoria, and today, we're thrilled to introduce you to the Ring Video Doorbell and Ring Indoor Cam bundle, the perfect combination for total peace of mind. Let's dive into the features of these two incredible devices. First, let's talk about what's included in this bundle. You get the Ring Video Doorbell, which features 1080p HD video, enhanced motion detection, and two-way audio communication. Plus, you'll also receive the Ring Indoor Cam, providing you with additional home security and peace of mind. The Ring Video Doorbell offers enhanced features such as improved motion detection, privacy zones, and audio privacy. With its crisp night vision capabilities, you can see even in low light conditions. And with mobile notifications, you'll always know when someone is at your door or triggers the motion sensors. As for the Ring Indoor Cam, you can watch over your home day or night in 1080p HD video with live view and color night vision. It seamlessly integrates with the Ring app, allowing you to monitor your home from anywhere using your phone, tablet, or PC. Setting up these devices is a breeze. Simply connect your Ring Video Doorbell to your Wi-Fi network using the Ring app and mount it using the included tools. It can be powered by the built-in rechargeable battery or connected to existing doorbell wires for constant power. Similarly, the Ring Indoor Cam is easy to set up. Just plug it in, connect it to your Wi-Fi network, and you're good to go. With its compact design, you can place it virtually anywhere in your home for added security and peace of mind. Additional protection and connectivity. For additional protection, consider subscribing to a Ring Protect plan. With this subscription, you can record all your videos, review stored footage for up to 180 days, and share videos with friends and family. Plus, both the Ring Video Doorbell and Ring Indoor Cam work seamlessly with Alexa. Receive audio announcements when motion is detected, and control your devices using voice commands for added convenience. In conclusion, the Ring Video Doorbell and Ring Indoor Cam bundle offer a comprehensive home security solution with advanced features, easy installation, and seamless connectivity. Whether you're at home or away, you can have peace of mind knowing that your home is protected. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.